In this video, I have brought two questions of the lesson in elementary school classroom in a slum. And the first question is, why do you think is the color of sour cream? Why do you think the poet has used this expression? So, as far as the color of the uh, walls are concerned, they are not well painted, and from for a long day, for a long time, they haven't been painted. Means that such walls had been the victim of negligence, and no capitalist or no curator of such place have uh, bring it in its notice, so that they can do something in this regard. And that is why uh, sour cream is just a symbol of negligence of the rich people towards poor. One more expression you may add as the answer of this question is that sour cream is not the color of fresh milk, and that is why you may simply say that it also shows the disinteresting ways of the school class slum schools. Question number 2: the walls of the classroom are decorated with the pictures of Shakespeare buildings, domes, word maps, and beautiful valleys. How do these contrast with the word of these children? So, as far as Shakespeare's statue is concerned, these are the pictures that has been pasted on the wall, and one of them was Shakespeare, who is the symbol of English literature as well as the civilized society. But as you know that those slum dwellers have nothing to do with civilization, because they haven't got plenty of food to feed their stomach, their bellies, and that is why to satisfy their belly the food is most important rather than the education. So Shakespeare has no meaning for them. Shakespeare also highlights only the lives of the rich people, and that's why it has no meaning. Building with domes, it expresses the towering buildings, while at the other they means slum dwellers are forced to live in the catacombs or in the slum settlements, and that is why it has no meaning for them. Word map, it's a fake map which represent a fake picture of the word. The real picture of those slum dwellers is nothing but the slum and the filth, the squalor, the dust, and that is why this word map has nothing to do with all those things. One more thing, beautiful valleys, because such children were kept away, miles away from the contact of the nature, and that is why it has no meaning for them, because they haven't seen the beautiful nature. So such kind of Alpine valley or Tarolos valley has no meaning for them, and that is why these things contrast with the word of the real word of the children of the slum who are forced to live in the slums. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will bring some more questions. Thanks.